Ready? Green peas for the very first time. It's delicious. Do you love it? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get some more. That was good. That went down well. Yeah. It's good. Yeah. You like it? Delicioso? Oops. Delicioso? No? Oh, oopsie. Okay. Okay, let's mix it up with some apples.
What? You can't mix apples and peas.
Here. Swallow, silly goose.
I think she likes the pea. It's like your daddy's.
Well, I read that they have to try it 10 times before they can make a decision if they like it or not.
You eat something nasty 10 times in a row.
Honey, you can't just, every time she doesn't like something, not let her eat it anymore. Here. We have to try everything. Oh, oh.
What happened?
We have. Mama made a mess. Oh, shoot. Here. You love apples.
How do you get it on your forehead?
I don't know. You love apples. Here, babes. Here, babes. Mmm, that's delicious. I love apples. Mama loves peas. That's her favorite. Here. Boy, we are making a, oh my gosh. We're making a big old mess today, aren't we? Oh, we even have it on the, up the nose. Forehead, up the nose. Oh my goodness. Here. Here, babes. Yum, yum, yum. Here, babies. Love it. It's delicious. Delicioso. Okay, Dad. That's quite good.